baby bus. Hello. Please get on the bus. Please choose a seat. Fasten your seatbelt. Thanks. Fasten your seatbelt. Thanks. Tap here. Outside driving. You have to put the car in gear before it can start. Next stop, the supermarket. Yay! It's shopping time! Welcome! Here's the shopping list for today. You can check out now. Is there anything else you want to buy? You can check out now. Put the items here. Put the money into the coin slot. Thank you. I've got everything I need. Off we go to the kindergarten. Swipe up to speed up the car. Hello, baby bus. Hello. Please get on the bus. Where should I sit? Fasten your seatbelt. Thanks. This is kindergarten. Hi, kids. Today, let's do some crafts together. Hooray! Handcrafting time! First, cut out the decorative border for the paper cup. Spread out the paper cup. Paint the cup with a pretty color. Use a small thumbtack to secure the windmill. At last, finish it with a straw. Awesome! What a beautiful windmill you've made. Snack time! Let's go have some snacks. It's time for a snack. You're good kids. School's out. Bye, kids. Okay. You've reached the finish line. Time to draw a prize. Wow! You got a key!